Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Rumble, watch and upload videos step by step clearly. Open your web browser on your computer or open the Rumble app on your phone. Type rumble.com in the address bar or search for Rumble in your app store and install it. Launch Rumble and wait for the home page to load completely. Look for the sign in button at the top right on desktop or in the menu on mobile. Tap or click sign in to open the login screen. Choose the login method you want, such as email, Google, Apple, or another available option. If you use email, enter the email address connected to your Rumble account. Type your password carefully and make sure caps lock is not on. Click sign in and wait a few seconds for your account to load. If you forgot your password, select Forgot Password and follow the reset email instructions. After logging in, confirm you see your profile icon or username on the screen. To watch videos, use the search bar to find a topic, channel, or video title. Click a video thumbnail to open the video page. Press play and adjust the volume and quality settings if needed. To follow creators, click subscribe on the channel page while you are logged in. To upload videos, find the upload button, usually near your profile menu or on the top navigation. Click upload and select the video file from your device storage. Wait for the file to load, then enter a clear title that matches your content. Add a detailed description so viewers understand what your video is about. Choose the right category and add tags to help people discover your video. Select the visibility option, such as public, unlisted, or private, if those options are available. If asked, set the audience and content settings to match your video type. Upload a custom thumbnail if you want a more professional look. Review all details one more time to avoid mistakes before publishing. Click Publish or Upload now and stay on the page until the process finishes. When the upload completes, open your video page to confirm it plays correctly. Share your Rumble video link on social media or with friends if you want more views. Log out from the profile menu if you are on a public device to keep your account safe. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.